Hi guys, this is your host and host Shahzad Darsi, and today in this video I will be showing you how you can grab 30 minutes of digital marketing consulting service free of cost from me. And if you stick till the end of this video, I hope and I am very much hopeful this will be worth your time, and you can get 30 minutes of digital marketing consulting service free of cost for your business, for your startup, or if you are in digital marketing industry also. And if you are not sure about the clear roadmap ahead, then you can stick till the end of this video, because I will be guiding you through how you can get digital marketing consulting service free of cost from me. And it will be 30 minutes live Zoom call meeting with you, and you can access the recording uh, for the 30 minutes consulting service, that too free of cost. So if you are someone who needs digital marketing consulting service and are looking for digital marketing consultant, then you can definitely stick till the end of this video. And yeah, let's move ahead. Guys, why me as a digital marketing consultant? As you know, most of you know me, I have started my career in digital marketing in 2016. But actually I have started and implemented my digital marketing learning from the year 2017. This is the time when I have started my first ever blog in the Blogger platform, and there I used to publish some random stuff regarding my passion. But I didn't find it that much handy and that much customizable. So sooner, using Blogger platform for I guess 2-3 months, I have switched to WordPress and booked my first domain seekin.com, SEEKEIN seekin.com. Although at present, if you search for this Seekin, then you will not find any content, because I have removed all of my published content over there. Why? Because Google is giving weightage to it factor, and Google guidelines shows that if you are someone who is expert, authority, and trust, means the full form is of it is your expertise, your authority, and your trust. What this mean is that if you are someone who want to uh, showcase your knowledge in the form of either through blog post or in the form of video content, be it any content that you want to share your knowledge with the world, then Google wants you that you should have expertise on that subject matter, or you are the authority expert on this, on that subject that you want to demonstrate to your audience. So I have published some content, over 25 plus blog posts, and they all are ranking on the first page of Google for different keywords. But I am not in the health industry expert, so that's why I have removed my that blog, and whatever post that I have published earlier, I have removed from the published to and switched to the draft mode. So what expertise do I have? As you know by the term, since I'm in digital marketing industry, and I have developed myself as a digital marketer in SEO industries. And if you are someone who want to grow your business uh, through organic means, pure whitehead method, then I can help you in getting to the first page of Google. And for that you can hire me on Fiverr uh, at an affordable rate, although basic starts with 1531 Indian rupees. But it's definitely not recommended if you want to climb the ladder of Google and want to rank for different keywords, uh, to rank on the first page of Google. then I will recommend either you go with the standard or the premium pack. But you are seeing this price because I haven't got what you call any reviews yet, so I have reduced my price over here. But sooner in future when you will be checking this gig, you will not find the same price. So it's the best time to book my SEO service if you are someone who want to rank for your desired keyword. And let me show you real proof for this, because I can show you easily less competitive less competitive long tail keyword from health industry, from cricket industry, because I'm a passionate cricket fan and I'm a passionate cricket writer. So I can show you from my blog, cricket score today. They are ranking on the first page of Google, but I am not showing you that. I am showing you the tough keyword that digital marketer or SEO industry expert are going after. Suppose because I am ranking for this SEO service in Bihar. This is the keyword that I am ranking in the first page of Google. The page is loading, guys. So you will see when you click on SEO service in Bihar, and for this top digital marketer and SEO expert are going after this keyword. So I am ranking 1 2 3 4 5th 6th 7th position here, and in the organic listing. And if you want to rank in the local map, then I provide Google My Business service also. And here you can find this is my verified Google My Business listing, although I have got only 4 reviews, because this Google My Business page has been live from the last month. Sorry, yeah, in the month of December this Google My Business page is live. So it's barely 1.5 month old. So there are only 4 reviews, and sooner I will be ranking for different keywords like SEO service near me, like digital marketing consultant, digital marketing, uh, Facebook lead expert in the local map also. Local map, these all are local map, and I will be ranking for my dream keyword that the SEO industry or a digital marketer have their dream keyword, like SEO service, digital marketing service, or digital marketing consultant, or like Facebook lead generation expert, or Google Ads expert, lead generation expert. So I will be ranking sooner on this local map also for my dream keyword. So, and if you search for SEO services in Bihar, then also you can find my what you call organic listing here. This is the organic listing that's shown, and I think I'm ranking in the 8th position. Yeah, 8th position. Yeah, ninth position. Sorry, ninth position for SEO services in Bihar. Although if you uh, come on this page, visit this page, there are very thin content. But even though I'm ranking for this competitive keyword, so if you want SEO service from me, then you can definitely hire me on Fiverr. This is my Fiverr profile. I will be sharing the link of the Fiverr profile also, so that you can hire me for either Google My Business or SEO service or lead generation, whichever service you want. Although I have not listed lead generation or Facebook through Facebook or Google Ads at Fiverr, but I have listed my SEO service and Google My Business service at Fiverr. So if you want to hire me from Fiverr, you can hire me from there. I will be providing the link in the description. You do check the link in the description. And moving ahead, guys, moving ahead. So uh, the topic of the video was how you can get your digital marketing consulting service free of cost, 30 minutes live Zoom call with me. And this is the link: 30 minutes one-on-one digital marketing consulting service free of cost that will be provided to you. uh, Along with the Zoom meeting, you will be provided the recording also. So you just need to come on this page, calendly.com/sazadarsi/one-on-one consulting. I will be providing this link also in the video description, so that you can book your 30 minutes call with me free of cost. 30 minutes free of cost digital marketing consulting with me. And for these digital marketers charge anywhere between 5,000 to all the way 50,000 for 30 minutes of their time, but I am trading my time free of cost. So in return, what I will be needing from you, I will be asking only for, if you like my 30 minutes digital marketing consulting service, if you are satisfied only, then you can give me a 5-star rating. Google my At my Google My Business page, you can give me 5-star review along with the what you call write up part, that what you like about that 30 minutes consulting service. So then only you can give me a good rating and good write up part. Okay, so moving ahead. So you can, how you can book SEO service, sorry, 30 minutes digital marketing consulting service. I will be providing this link in the description. You can choose your date, your time, and you can directly book your 30 minutes digital marketing consulting with me. So I hope you like this video and found it useful. It's worth your time. If you are someone who is in digital marketing industry and don't know the clear roadmap ahead, you can take my 30 minutes digital marketing consulting service free of cost. Or if you are someone who wants to outsource their task, like if you are small startup business owners, anyone who want to outsource your digital marketing task, or just want the clear roadmap how to move ahead in the digital marketing journey, and what steps you need to follow, then also you can book my 30 minutes digital marketing consulting service. This is for both of you. If you are from digital marketing industry, and if you are not an experienced person, then also you can book. Or if you are someone who wants to outsource their digital marketing tasks, like Facebook ads, Google ads, SEO, what you call copywriting, email marketing, you can get in touch with me for 30 minutes consulting. So I hope you like this video, and if you found value in this video, please, I will I will request you, please put a thumbs up to this video and like this video and share it in your community, whomsoever you think this video might help, so that they also get benefit out of this video. And guys, I am a new in YouTube, because I haven't posted much articles, much videos at YouTube, but in the coming time, I will be posting regularly, at least 1 to 2 videos, valuable videos per week in my YouTube channel as well. So if you support me in my YouTube journey, then you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel, and just book my 30 minutes consulting service with me. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. I would love to know your thought. Please share your thought in the comment section beneath this YouTube video. I would love to know your thought, and I will be replying to each and every comment if possible. So that's it for this video, guys. This is Shahzad Arsi signing off for now. Bye. See you in the another exciting video. Bye. Take care, and yeah, see you in the another video. Bye.